Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our blower motor resistor. First, you want to locate it. It's on the passenger side, right next to your blower motor. The next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and remove the wiring from it. You're going to find two tabs, one right here and one on the other side. Go ahead and lift up on those tabs and then remove the wiring. There we are. Once you have it off, inspect the pigtail. Make sure you don't see any funny colors. If you do, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This one looks great, so I'll set it aside. The next thing we want to do is remove our two mounting bolts for the resistor. I'm going to start with the lowest one because it's hardest to get to. Do the same to the upper one. Remove your resistor from the truck. There it is, friends. Now it's time to install our brand new blower motor resistor. Pay attention to the angles on the resistor right along here. You'll notice that it's notched out. You want to make sure that that's facing towards the passenger side when you install this. Now when we go to put this in, let's go ahead and slide it right into its position and it should pretty much fit right in. If it doesn't fit, you have it backwards. Go ahead and start in both of your bolts and then snug them up. Now that they're both started, I'll just snug them up. Okay, that one's nice and tight. Let's do the same to the other one. It's tight as well. Give it a wiggle just to ensure that it's completely secured. Once you've done that, go ahead and grab onto the wiring and then plug it in. Push it in so you hear a click and give it a nice tug. Okay, that was easy. All you have left to do now is go ahead and hop in the truck, put the key in the on position, and make sure your blower motor works on all speeds.